Hello students, a very good morning to all of you. I hope that you are well and fine and you are taking care of your health. On the last lecture, we had studied up to exercise 7.2 in the chapter Permutations and Combinations. In this chapter, we had studied the concept of factorial, that how we calculate factorial, and also we had studied the introduction of permutations. So we will start this lecture with the introduction of permutations and the formulas related to it. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन दैट अराइजेस कि परम्यूटेशन होता क्या है. तो परम्यूटेशन हम उस अरेंजमेंट को कहते हैं जिसमें कि ऑर्डर भी मैटर करता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल लेट अस सपोज कि वी हैव 3 एलिमेंट्स ए बी एंड सी, and out of 3 elements you want to take only one, or you want to take only 2, or you want to take only 3. So if out of 3 elements you want to take only one element, then there are only 3 possibilities. Either you will take A or B or C. If you want to take 2 elements at a time, 2 elements at a time, तो कितने अरेंजमेंट्स आप बना सकते हैं? ए बी सी ए सी, ये 3 अरेंजमेंट्स हुए. बट आई हैव टोल्ड यू कि इन परम्यूटेशन ऑर्डर मैटर्स. सो वन अरेंजमेंट विल बी ए बी एंड द अदर विल बी बी ए. Similarly, here CB and here CA. So in all there will be 6 arrangements if we take 2 elements at a time. See how this is this concept we are going to relate with the formula. तो permutation के लिए formula है कि अगर total आपके पास n objects हैं, if there are n total objects out of which you are taking r at a time, then the total number of permutations is given by npr, and the formula is factorial n upon factorial n minus r, provided the condition is कि 0 is less than equal to r less than equal to n. यानी कि n की वैल्यू, r की जो वैल्यू है that is between 0 to n. अब इसी तरीके से देखिए यहाँ पे we have been given with a total of 3 objects out of which we are selecting only 2 at a time. That is हम दो का पेयर बना रहे हैं. तो एक बार में हम 2 एलिमेंट्स को चूज कर रहे हैं. जैसे एक बार में हमने ए बी को चूज किया, फिर हमने सी बी को यूज किया, फिर हमने ए सी को. तो उस तरीके से हम कितने पॉसिबल अरेंजमेंट्स बना सकते हैं. दैट इज गिवन बाय 3p2 इक्वल्स टू फैक्टोरियल 3 अपॉन फैक्टोरियल 3 minus 2. दैट इज वी नो दैट द वैल्यू ऑफ फैक्टोरियल 3 इज 3 into 2 into 1, और 3 minus 2 कितना हो जाएगा 1, एंड फैक्टोरियल 1 is equals to 1. So a total number of arrangement that we can make is 6. So this is the first formula related to permutations, that is NPR is equals to factorial n upon factorial n minus r. Now if we take NPN out of n objects, if we take n at a time, then the formula will turn out to be factorial n upon factorial n minus n, that is factorial n upon 0, and factorial 0 is also equal to 1. So factorial n upon factorial 0, and the answer is factorial n. Similarly, we can calculate np0. If we put the value of r, that is 0, then we have factorial n upon factorial n minus 0, that is 1. Now this was the formula when the objects were distinct, that is we had taken the objects and they were all different from each other. We have a theorem here. The number of permutations of n different objects taken r at a time when repetition is allowed is n to the power r. So earlier when we had studied, it was without repetition, that is repetition was not allowed. But in case repetition is allowed, then the number is n to the power r. Again we have third theorem कि the number of permutations of n objects where p objects are of same kind and the rest are different is factorial n upon factorial p. यानी कि मान लीजिए आपको n ऑब्जेक्ट्स दिए गए हैं जिसमें से p ऑब्जेक्ट सेम है और बाकी के अलग हैं, तो टोटल जो अरेंजमेंट्स आप बना सकते हैं वो होगा फैक्टोरियल n अपॉन फैक्टोरियल p के बराबर. मान लीजिए आपके पास टोटल 5 ऑब्जेक्ट्स हैं, ठीक है. लेट अस सपोज वी हैव अ टोटल ऑफ 5 ऑब्जेक्ट्स, देन n इज इक्वल्स टू 5, out of which let us suppose कि 2 objects are identical. Then we have p P objects are identical, that is P is equals to 2. The total number of permutations will be factorial n upon factorial P, that is factorial 5 upon factorial 2. Value can be calculated as in 5 into 4 to 3 into 2 into 1 upon 2 into 1. 2 to cancel and we have the answer 5 into 4 into 3. 5 4s are 20, 23s are 60, which is the required answer. Now let us suppose कि the out of n objects we have Pn objects are of same kind, P2 are of second, P3 are of third kind, and so on. Pk are of kth kind. Then the formula will be extended to factorial n upon factorial P1, factorial P2 and so on up to factorial k. ऐसे समझते हैं कि मान लीजिए आपको टोटल ऑफ 40 बॉल्स दी गई हैं, जिसमें से 5 बॉल्स रेड कलर की हैं, 5 बॉल्स पिंक कलर की हैं, 5 बॉल्स ग्रीन कलर की हैं एंड सो ऑन. तो जितने पॉसिबल अरेंजमेंट्स इस केस में होंगे वो क्या होंगे, फैक्टोरियल 40 अपॉन फैक्टोरियल 5 इंटू फैक्टोरियल 5 इंटू अप टू जहां तक भी हमें कलर्स के मतलब डिस्टिंक्ट एलिमेंट्स जो दिए गए हैं वहां तक. Now we are going to solve some of the questions from your exercise, that is exercise 7.3, and rest of the questions you are going to solve on your own. First question है, how many 3-digit numbers can be formed by using the digits 1 to 9 if no digit is repeated? यानी कि आपको टोटल ऑब्जेक्ट्स कितने दिए गए, 1 से 9 तक कितने नंबर्स हो गए, 9 नंबर्स, जिसमें से कि आपको 3-digit नंबर्स चूज करना है. दैट इज you have to calculate the value of 9p3 and you know how to solve it. Factorial 9 upon factorial 9 minus 3, that is factorial 9 upon factorial 6. Now you can solve it and you will get the value of the possible arrangements that will be done if no digit is repeated. Now question number 2, how many 4-digit numbers are there with no digit repeated? यानी कि हमें 4 डिजिट के नंबर्स लिखने हैं और कोई भी डिजिट रिपीट नहीं होना चाहिए. सी, वी हैव टू राइट 4 डिजिट नंबर्स. तो n की वैल्यू कितनी है हमारे पास, यानी कि हमारे पास कितने ऑप्शंस हैं, 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 एंड 9. इतने ऑप्शंस हैं जिसमें से कि हमें इसको फिल करना है. अब आपको पता होगा कि जब भी हम कोई नंबर स्टार्ट करते हैं तो द नंबर विल नॉट स्टार्ट विद 0. दैट इज यहाँ पे जो फर्स्ट प्लेस है वहां पे हम 0 नहीं रख सकते. तो टोटल आपके पास ऑप्शंस कितने थे, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 एंड 10. यानी कि हर एक बॉक्स को आप 10 तरीके से भर सकते हैं. लेकिन सबसे पहली चीज दी हुई है कि डिजिट्स रिपीट नहीं करने हैं और यहाँ पे हम 0 भी नहीं लिख सकते हैं. सो द फर्स्ट बॉक्स वी कैन नॉट राइट 0 will be filled in a total of 9 ways. That is, we cannot write here 0. So we can fill this box by 9 ways. That is, we can write here 1 or 2 or 3 or 4, any number up to 9. Then when one number is written, this box will also have 9 options. यहाँ पे भी 9 options होंगे. कैसे, यहाँ पे हम 0 रख सकते हैं. अब हम 0 को include कर रहे हैं तो एक नंबर यहाँ चला गया. Then we have a total of 9 options. Then 8 and then the last one is 7. यानी कि इस बॉक्स को हम 7 तरीके से भर सकते हैं because repetition is not allowed. So the total number of possibilities are 9 into 9 into 8 into 7 and you're going to multiply it. 9 9s are 81 to 7 56, that is 4 5 36. ठीक है, तो इस तरीके से आप इस क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करेंगे. Now question number 3 is कि how many 3-digit even numbers can be made using the digit 1 2 3 4 6 and 7 if no digit is repeated. See, the number of the digits that are given here are 1 2 3 4 6 and 7 और हमें even number बनाने हैं 3 digits के. So we will make first what we are going to do is we are going to make a column of 3 digits. Now this number has to be even. What is the condition for a given number to be even? The condition is कि unit place पे even terms होने चाहिए, यानी कि unit place can have only even numbers. So out of these possibilities, this is even number and this is even number. So this place can be filled by 3 ways. Now once this place is filled, then we are left with, suppose we write here 6, we can write either 2 or 4 or 6. 3 options are there. Suppose we have written 6, तो अभी कितने options बचे हमारे पास? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So this number can be filled by 5 ways and this can be filled by 4 ways. Why? Because repetition is not allowed. Therefore the total number of possibilities, total number of permutations are 4 into 5 into 3. That is 60. Similarly, question number 4 you can do on your own. Question number 5 है कि from a committee of 8 persons, in how many ways can we choose a chairman and a vice chairman, assuming one person cannot hold more than one position. यानी कि n की वैल्यू 8 दी है, टोटल पीपल कितने हैं 8, तो n इज इक्वल्स टू 8, जिसमें से आपको टू पीपल यू हैव टू चूज, 2 लोगों को आपको चूज करना है और लोगों को जो पोजीशन पे हैं वो रिपीट नहीं हो सकते, यानी कि वन पर्सन कैनॉट होल्ड मोर देन वन पोजीशन. Suppose this is chairman and this is vice chairman. तो अभी हम क्या करते हैं, हमारे पास टोटल 8 लोग हैं, 8 लोग हैं और उनको यहाँ पे फिल करना है इस तरीके से कि लोगों की रिपीटेशन नहीं होनी चाहिए. अभी तक हमने जो क्वेश्चन सॉल्व किया था उसमें नंबर्स थे, यहाँ पे क्या है, सिंपल एक इंटर कन्वर्जन है, दैट वी हैव टू choose out of 8 people, we have to choose only 2 people so that they are not repeated and we can fill them in these positions. So for the first person we will have 8 options कि हम इस चेयरमैन की जो पोजीशन है उसको 8 तरीके से फिल कर सकते हैं. दैट इज आउट ऑफ 8 people anyone can be the chairman. Since repetition is not allowed, therefore now we will be left with only 7 people who can be the vice chairman. So a total of 8 into 7 possibilities are there. The number of permutations will be 8 into 7. Now question number 6, 7, these are very simple questions. You can solve them. इनको फैक्टोरियल के फॉर्म में चेंज करिए, क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करके सिंप्लीफाई करिए. Now we have question number 8 कि how many words with or without meaning can be formed using all the letters of the word equation using each letter exactly once. यानी कि हमें रिपीटेशन अलाउड नहीं है और हमें इक्वेशन के हर एक लेटर को यूज करके हम कितने पॉसिबल पेयर्स बना सकते हैं ये चीज निकालनी है. क्लियरली व्हेन वी राइट द वर्ड इक्वेशन, EQUATION, तो व्हेन वी राइट द वर्ड इक्वेशन वी कैन सी दैट नो अल्फाबेट इज रिपीटेड. हर एक अल्फाबेट एक ही बार लिखा गया है, कोई भी रिपीटेशन नहीं है. तो यहाँ पे हम थ्योरम का यूज करेंगे एंड वी हैव this question can be solved by 2 ways. See, first we are going to solve by the theorem and second we are going to solve it with simple logic. So according to the theorem, out of n options, if there are no if there is 0 options say common, say out of n possibilities, if there are p possibilities common, तो permutation क्या होता है, फैक्टोरियल n अपॉन फैक्टोरियल p. यहाँ पे क्या है, 0 ऑप्शंस है, यानी कि कुछ भी कॉमन नहीं, यानी p की वैल्यू 0 हो जाएगी. तो हम इसको क्या लिख सकते हैं, फैक्टोरियल 8 अपॉन फैक्टोरियल 0, और ये कितना आ जाएगा, फैक्टोरियल 8 के बराबर. तो दिस इज द फर्स्ट वे. नाउ द सेकेंड इज कि वी विल मेक फर्स्ट 8 कॉलम्स, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. ठीक है, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. वी हैव मेड द कॉलम्स. Now the first word can be filled in 8 ways. क्योंकि रिपीटेशन अलाउड नहीं है तो हम यहाँ कुछ भी लिख सकते हैं. क्या, E लिख सकते हैं, Q U A T I O N, any word can be, any alphabet can be written here. Now since repetition is not allowed, this place can be filled by 7 ways, this by 6 5 4 3 2 and 1. That is, this value is equal to, आप इसको क्या करेंगे, टोटल परम्यूटेशन निकालने के लिए हम इसको क्या करेंगे, मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे. 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, which is equal to factorial 8. So by both the methods the solution is same. You can use either of them. Now question number 9, how many words with or without meaning can be made from the letters of the word Monday, assuming that no letter is repeated, यानी कि repetition allowed नहीं है. फर्स्ट है 4 letters used at a time. तो इन दिस केस वी हैव मंडे. तो स्पेलिंग में मंडे की स्पेलिंग में कितने नंबर्स हैं? 1 2 3 4 5 एंड 6. तो वैल्यू ऑफ n विल बी 6 and we have to use 4 letters, that is 4 objects at a time. So the solution for the first part will be 6p4, that is factorial 6 upon factorial 6 minus 4, and you will solve it on your own. Now the second one is ki all letters are used at a time, that is you have to calculate 6p6. Now the third one, this is a different part. See, in this part you have to calculate all the letters that are used, but first letter is vowel. The first letter has to be vowel. So first we are going to make 6 columns. 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. So first we have made 6 columns. अभी क्वेश्चन में कहा जा रहा है कि ये जो पहली प्लेस है यहाँ पे आपको क्या रखना है? वॉवेल्स रखने हैं. इन द स्पेलिंग ऑफ मंडे, MONDAY, we have only 2 vowels. First one is O and the second one is A. तो क्वेश्चन में कह रहा है कि पहला प्लेस आपको वॉवेल रखना है, तो the possibility of filling this place will be 2. Now total you had 6 options. One word you will write here, then the rest of out of 6 you will be left with only 5 numbers, 5 letters. So this place can be filled by 5 ways. This place can be filled by 4 ways, 3, 2 and 1. So when you have to find the total number of permutations, what we are going to do? We are going to multiply them. 2 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. That is 2 into. You know that the value of factorial 5 is 120. So 120 into 2 is 240. So the total number of permutations possible will be 240. Now the rest of the questions of this exercise you're going to solve on your own. Try to solve them, and if you do not understand them, then please ask. Also complete your copy and submit it on the date that has been given to you. I have been reminding you so many times, and I do not think that you are listening to this. Try to complete your copy properly. Try to solve each and every part, and moreover what you have to do is once you make your copy, once you solve these questions, first you have to solve these questions in rough somewhere, in say in your practice copy or somewhere, and then you have to write in your fair copy so that you make a clean fair copy. I do not want any kind of rough work in your fair copy. Try to make it properly. Okay, thank you class.